Welcome back to Subscribing to Geeky.
Ah! Look at that. 0.11 seconds.
So yeah, like it must have been just my friends like telling me that this game was coming out, and it just so happened to coincide with like a birthday or something like that. And anyway, like yeah, like it's so different from. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is like I had no idea what this game was really going to be like. So when I first got it, we played through it, and just did what came naturally, and then we beat it, and then we were like, okay, well, it would be awesome if we could actually trade. If we could have all of the starters. Like I really want to have like a Bulbasaur, Charmander, and a Squirtle, which was really hard to do back then. Like it was basically.
Yeah, you'd have
impossible.
to get it, restart your game.
Yeah, so
like trade it, and.
So yeah, so that's what we did. Like as soon as we were all done with our first playthrough, we all started over, and like we would get one guy to be like the storage guy, and we would all, restart like a bunch of times and get a starter and trade it to him. So he ended up with like 3 of each, and then we would restart our games for real, and then he would trade us our individual ones, and then he would trade us the ones for him, and then he would restart, and we would trade him his 3, and then we would all start from there.
Awesome. That is so cute. I wish I had friends like that growing up. Ah. But I mean, I grew up in a pretty small place. There weren't that many friends to be had. It's short and simple. There was only so many people my age. And only so many people I went to school with.
Yeah, comparatively, I don't even know if your place would be a town. Like, it would be more like a village, maybe.
Oh, I've got a couple thousand people. I think. Maybe a little more. Yeah, maybe a little more. It doesn't take a lot, but I mean, it's because we're outside of North Bay, right? It's a pretty easy commute. So, it stretches over like there's not much there, but it's wide, right? Like there's lots of space.
Oh. But yeah, it is basically
Bruce Bunyan? Sorry, Ace Bunyan.
Comparatively, I mostly grew up in Fredericton, New Brunswick. Fredericton being the capital of the province of New Brunswick.
You were in Germany for a while, though.
Yeah, I was in Germany for 7 years.
That's pretty long, for a childhood, actually.
Yeah, that's why I can usually get away with saying that I grew up in Germany. Because I was there for long enough during a time period where I can actually remember most of it. So.
Yeah.
I don't
Damn.
know. My sisters obviously were both. Not obviously. My sisters were both born in Germany. So I would doubt if Vicky has any memory of being there at all. And Sarah probably only has a few memories.
Oh my gosh, I've got a boost!
But I remember, like, all of it. Pretty much.
Yeah.
You lost the race.
I lost the race. I wonder how many rings I can miss.
What time did you want to go at?
Oh, what time is it now? It's 5:30?
Yeah, it's 4:30.
Oh, 4:30. I don't know. I don't want to do it too late.
Not like this.
Okay, well, let me finish this race. I'm not sure if I can come back to these challenges once we move on. I'm not 100% sure. So that was colon asteroid there.
Now we're getting more quiet.
Yeah, you can kind of tell when we're getting tired. And like,
Yeah.
I lost started.
Oh no. Well, we can do a shout out to my friend, our friend Jon Blizzard and Clayton Boone. They have a new podcast that they've been doing for a few weeks now.
Yeah.
Called UberCast X.
They're pretty good. They're way more interesting than we are.
Maybe. Maybe not.
They're soothing tones of voices.
I don't know. Our tones of voices are probably more soothing. Theirs are probably more exciting, though.
I don't know. Rumble, rumble.
Rumble. Yeah, so you can check them out at ubercastx.com or on Facebook and iTunes. And they're pretty entertaining, I find.
Yeah, I like it.
Sometimes I'm not sure whether it's just my nostalgia for being actually friends with them. But if you find it entertaining,
yeah,
that is a genuine review.
Mm-hmm.
Review.
Yes. Like a dog. In my stomach.
But yeah, I guess they are kind of it's really fun to listen to them because they get into some funny discussions and things. They talk about all sorts of geeky stuff as well, movies and video games especially. Jon is actually he's an actor and he's worked on some local feature films. And Clayton's Clayton. He's funny.
Yep.
He's like a big teddy bear.
Yep. Hey guys. How you doing?
And Jon is getting married this year.
Congratulations,
We're
Jon.
gonna go down for the wedding.
For the wedding.
And groomsmen.
In October.
And hopefully, I know that the wedding is going to be, a really hectic time for everybody and for Jon especially. But we're going to hopefully get some surprisingly geeky / UberCast X crossovers going on.
Yay! That will be fun. I'm looking forward to that.
Totally. I think it'll be really good. Maybe we'll get some 4-player Smash Bros going on.
I like Smash Brothers. Mainstream.
And then we'll probably appear on an episode of the podcast, I would imagine.
Alright, that's enough.
Alright. Well, thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check us out on Twitch, Twitter, Facebook, and don't forget to check out meowington.com for some cute
kitty zombies.
Thanks, everybody.